Learning evidence for I made a decision. Decision-making analysis form. Dilemma. The woman challenge manager of a technology company urgently needs to hire a Python developer with knowledge of mobile device programming. After a strict selection process, she has two options. The first, an empirical developer who has learned in several programming languages, including Python, and mobile device programming. The other option is an engineer who has extensive experience with Python, but light knowledge of mobile device programming. Importance level, urgent. Uncertainty level, uncertain. The best that could happen. The best thing that could happen was to find the person with the ideal profile for the current use of the word. The worst that could happen. Make a mistake when making the decision and that the person we hire does not meet the goals of expectation that we have as an organization. Administration says, pros. Both profiles seem like good options. Give the opportunity to a person with empirical knowledge. Choose the best option for the company. Integrate a new file to the company. Cons. We are only going to hire on. Taking professionally the opportunity. Generate stress for decision making. Bad work environment. Conclusion based off my intuition. I consider that the best option is to choose the empirical developer since they have more experiences. Rational conclusion. However, the engineer is the most qualified person according to his studies to carry out the work. Decision. Hire the engineer. Steps to follow. Conduct an appropriate interview. His studies. Home visit.